We're going to take a look at this FORTEM air compressor and hook it up to the car and see how it works. But let's take a look, see what you get inside the box. Okay, so get a small user manual, different languages, 2 pages of English, and bag to put it in, and some plastic, different types of nozzles, so some like for a football and so on. Oh, and a spare fuse. And then the unit itself, nothing else in there. It's relatively compact, and if we compare it to a tin of beans, it looks like that. And it's, yeah, I like the way that the cable and stuff kind of fits in the back here. Although I think once you've got it out, you may struggle to get the actual, that bit should go back in all right. But the cable here, once you've even getting it out, it's a pain. Come on. Right, there we go. So stuffing that back in may be a struggle. There's a bit of a compartment in there, you can kind of see. As it shows that the pump itself inside must be really small. I may get a screwdriver to this and take a look inside. There's a light on this end. Drop that. Let's see, and the button's here to set the desired pressure, and then you can turn it on and it should reach that pressure. So we'll try that out. So the first thing you need to do is turn the car on, otherwise it will drain the battery quite quickly. Plug it in. Connect the pipe to the valve. And then when that's connected, it will show you the pressure on the readout, and you can press the R button to go through different measurements like PSI and bar. And use the plus and minus to set the target pressure. Then let it stop flashing, and that's your target set. And now you can turn it on. Okay, so whilst that's inflating, I'm really happy with this. It's not as noisy as I thought it would be, and even though I struggled to get the cable out just earlier, it actually is easy to put it back in, and I had no problem stowing that all back into the case that it came with. So overall, pretty happy with this. I'll update the comments and description if I have any problems, but yeah, I'm very happy with this, and I'd recommend it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.